Hi guys, I'm Prashanti and you're watching Cook with Prashanti. I would like to share one thing that with this video we are completing 200 videos on my channel and I'm so happy that we are now family of 295 subscribers and hoping that soon we will reach 1000 subscribers. So since Sankranti is also around the corner and we have completed 200 videos, I decided to bring a sweet Rava Burfi recipe to you all. I hope you will try the recipe. Later come back and let me know how you liked it in comment section below. Without further delay, let's get into the recipe. You can always check the description for ingredients and their quantity. First, start by dry roasting few cashew nuts. For 1 cup, you can take 10 cashew nuts and cut them into pieces as they cool down. Now, I am taking a burfi tin and greasing it with clarified butter. Later, I am taking a pot, taking 1 cup of milk and 3/4 cup of water and bringing it to a boil. I have added few saffron threads as well. On the other hand, in another stove, I have heated 3/4 cup of ghee. Once it is all melted and heated, I am adding 1 cup of semolina or rava to it and roasting it for good 6 to 10 minutes till it changes to golden brown, light golden brown. Make sure that the flame is on medium so that we can avoid burning the semolina. Our milk is also boiling. Don't forget to check on it. After it comes to a boil and the color of the milk changes to little saffron, I will turn off the flame and I will be stirring continuously so that it doesn't get burned. Here the semolina should be roasted for 6 to 10 minutes. Here I am taking 1 cup of semolina. Now for 1 cup of semolina you can take 3/4 cup or 1 cup of sugar in this recipe. Once it is heated, you can see that our semolina color has changed light golden brown. At this stage, we will add our hot milk little by stirring continuously as shown in the video. Once all the milk is absorbed by the rava or semolina, we will add sugar and cashew nuts to it and stir. Once it comes to a halwa consistency, we will add the powder green cardamom powder as well and give us good mix and turn off the flame. Now we will immediately transfer this into the burfi tin which we greased with clarified butter. Here I am taking half teaspoon of green cardamom powder. I have taken 4 green cardamoms, removed the seeds and crushed them in a mortar with pestle. See, the rava comes together after adding the sugar. At that stage, we will add the green cardamom powder and turn off the flame. As you can see in the video, the sugar is completely melted. Now we will transfer it into the burfi tin. As shown in the video, I am giving it a cake shape with the help of the flat wooden spoon. You can use a spatula, silicone spatula. Why? Because the halwa or burfi would be too hot to handle with bare hands. Now, after giving it a cake shape, we will let it cool to room temperature for an hour or 2. After 1 or 2 hours, please check that it is not hot and take a plate, place it over the burfi tin and reverse it as shown in the video and tap it over it so that the burfi falls into the plate. Once it falls into the plate, remove the tin. Here I am taking silver work and placing it over the burfi or cake, rava cake which we made, and cut them into desired pieces. Our rava burfi is ready to be served. With 1 cup of semolina, you can make 8 to 10 pieces of burfi, rava burfi. I hope you like this video. If yes, do let me know in the comment section below, and I thank each and every subscriber of my channel for subscribing to my channel. That's all for today. See you next time. I will be back with more such interesting recipes. Bye.